Mm. Yummy. Hello guys, so magluluto ako ng guys, pasta, pero lagyan ko siya ng ito guys, chicken, cream of chicken. So ayan. Ayan, 'di ba? Tapos dito yung guys, may dito, chicken and vegetable fettuccine. So pasta 'yan. Kita nyo ba 'yan? Tapos meron akong tomato guys, or tomatis, and yeah, I'm gonna use this pasta na zapparelli. So ayan, tapos gamit lang ako ng minced garlic kasi naubusan kami ng ano ba yung tawag nito? Onion. So ayan. Pasta. So, ayan na siya guys. So, I don't put salt or cooking oil. Normal lang or natural lang ang gusto ko today. Ako lang naman ang kakain ito. Ayan. And ngayon guys, we're doing the sauce. So, ilagay ko muna yung tomato, spring onion kasi wala akong onion. Tapos, minced garlic guys. So ayan. So next guys, na ilagay natin ang cream of chicken. So ayan. So guys. Ayan lang this is the looks na guys. Sauce natin. Actually, you can add a mushroom here. Ano ba? Mushroom. Pwede kang mag-add ng parsley. I add pala guys, milk. Normal milk lang. Ayan. Then last guys is the pasta. So, ilagay natin ha. Slowly. Ayan. Pasensya na medyo. Ayan. Then add salt and pepper. So I already added guys, black pepper at saka salt. So ayan na ang ating simple na pasta. Cream of chicken pasta. Chicken and vegetable. Pero sa akin, walang mushroom. So, ayan. Lastly, I add the basil. Ayan siya, guys. From my garden. So, ayan. Luto na. So, this is the finished product, guys. Tada! Luto na. It's done. So, this is for my lunch. So, ako lang kakain ito, guys. Kasi si Mr. nag-lunch na. So, ayan. Pasta. Very easy lunch meal. So, ayan. I hope you like it, and I hope you can get some of the ideas that I cooked today. Ayan, pasta.